Salamat din po sa RJ Bistro. Hello, sir. Maraming salamat po for giving us this wonderful review. Thank you, Sir RJ. Okay. So, this is the time. Host, let's give some of the media time to ask
now we
questions.
open the floor for our media conference.
Give the mic. Yung mic there you go. Miss Marge, can we ask you to come over? Can you lower the... Remove the music. Okay, there you go. Hello po, Sir Toots. Thank you so much. Thank you po.
From Lea Santerio.
Hello.
Hello po.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening po. Hello po.
So when did you start? It's very impressive because you all know the songs already. And when did you start rehearsing for this musical?
A week ago.
Just a week ago.
Only
1 week.
Really?
1 week.
A week ago.
Yes.
Really? So when did you start casting, Pam?
Well, for me, we've been casting for the whole year of 2025. Since we have like a music fan fest that we do in our events po. So, ito pong mga talent po natin, salang-sala po ito. Plus, we have an RJ, a bistro, women, empowered woman. Represent Miss Angie po.
Thank you, Direk. Thank you again, Sir RJ, for this, for allowing me to join. Thank you, Sir RJ.
How big is the cast? Direk, how big is the cast?
Currently, we're looking at to have it a big, like, alam mo, masarap naman mangarap eh. If Vietnam has Miss Saigon, why not in the Philippines, Mudifa? Yeah! Right? Miss March?
Miss March, where did you get the inspiration to write the story of Monifa? And how long ago did you write it?
Long time ago. But you want me to be honest?
Yes. Mike.
You want me to be honest? It's like a true man, you know, in a place that, you know, with a culture shock. So I got the idea from my heart.
Microphone.
I got the idea from my heart. And the music and the song from my heart. So, yeah.
Alright, thank you. Thank you. And when do you expect to stage this one, ma'am? The musical.
The bigger.
The bigger, we need producer, you know, like Miss Saigon, you need a lot of money. I don't know, but I think it will be done, I'm sure. You know, there's a purpose, there's advocacy, so it should be done.
Alright, thank you.
Alright, thank you so much. Any question?
There is a question coming here. Can you give them the microphone?
Do you have a CD from...
Hello po, ano po pangalan niya? Hello, Miss Jinky. Hello po.
Kasi nagandahan kami, we like the song, so we're asking if you have a CD.
Not yet.
Not yet, but sige po.
You know what I created the song? How many? Hundreds. Hundreds of songs. Hundreds from my heart.
But you have so many nice...
Only,
It was just a preview.
only 14, imagine? I created 100 songs.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Hi, my name is Emil from Pakistan. Can you tell us more about the creative team? Like, obviously the director and the author is here, but who else is part of the creative team? Like, who's the writer of the book, meaning the script, etc.?
The book It's actually written by Miss Margarita Marti.
Yes.
And
It was 2007. I wrote the book with somebody that helped me because I'm not a writer, you know that. I'm just an author. Everybody can be author of your life, you know it, and can be artist also, right? You agree?
Yes.
Okay.
But so you're also the one who wrote the
Yeah. Also the lyrics.
the script for the
Yes, and
musical
also the
stuff.
lyrics. You know, if you feel it from your heart, you go out. Anybody can do the same as I do.
Okay, you can correct me if I'm wrong, but
Oh, yeah.
it seems that a lot of the actors in the cast are first timers in
Yes.
theater.
Yes.
How do you feel about your debut in theater?
okay. Let's start with you.
I'm so excited because ito po yung pinakauna kong play na pagbibidaan. Kasama po ng magagaling natin mga artista din. So we're really looking forward to make this happen early 2026.
Hello po. Good evening everyone. I'm Jessica Lapitan. So, actually this isn't my first time po with theater. But looking forward to work with Ma'am Marge and Direk Jag na mabuo po namin to ng mas malaki pa. And nagsimula po ako sa Philippine Stagers Foundation with Direk Vincent Tanyada. Yun po yung first ko pong theater. And meron din po na Miracle. Okay. Meron po akong experience with hindi po siya natuloy na Miracle Fate of Fatima na theater play. Hindi, sadly, unfortunately, hindi siya natuloy. Pero yun po. And hopefully this will work for us. Yan. Ito pong Moody for the Musical. Ayun.
Good evening, everybody. First of all, I'd like to thank everybody for coming tonight. I'm Angie Bolivi, and of course, I'd like to thank again Sir RJ over there for allowing me to join. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yes. Anyway, during my younger days, I was really with Beta, so I really do theater before. So this is not new to me, but since I was, it's been a long time since I did this, so it's very exciting for me to do this thing again. Of course, with Direct and Miss Marge and to all these new artists beside me. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Thank you.
So hello, magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. And of course, I just wanna take this opportunity to thank everyone who's here right now po. My Direk, kay Mami Marge, and of course, kay Sir RJ po. Maraming salamat po. So, balik po sa question. So, actually, this isn't my first time having a theater po. So, when I turned into college po, like, ginap ko po yung offer ng college ko po na magkaroon ng theater. So from those experience, nahubog na po ako mag-theater. Ano yung mga reactions, yung kailangan na yung postura mo sa stage based on what you are performing. So yun, sana this project, hopefully, na ito na po yung way for us to have a big break. Hindi lang ngayon, hindi lang sa mga susunod na araw, but in the future, no? So, more work, more money. Yun yung perception ko. So, yeah.
Alright.
French guy, yes, the French guy, yes.
You're really French.
Yun. So, hi guys, thank you so much po sa pagpunta, syempre. And ako po pala si Iwan Fuerte. And balik tayo sa question, this is my first time po doing this. Kaya sobrang, nung una parang nag-iisip pa ako kung titig ko ba siya. Pero, me as a artist po kasi, talagang mahilig din po ako mag-watch ng theater. Lalo sa mga YouTube, yung mga YouTube clips. And then, doon ko po nakita na parang somehow baka kaya ko siya. Then, I took this chance po to show to everybody na kami po na dito po nasa harapan ninyo. Kaya po namin siya gawin. And ayun po, sobrang thankful po kay Direk Jack, syempre, and kay Madam, and syempre kay Sir RJ for allowing us to do this. So, thank you so much po.
ayun po. As a young individual po and also the first timer po sa field po ng theater play. And I hope po na samahan niyo po ako sa field na po na to. And papangako po sa inyo na gagawin ko po yung best ko as a actor po ng theater po para po magampanan po yung role po as a football player. Yun lang po.
I have one last question.